Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful hat. I use velvet yarn and 6 mm hook. Make a magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, pull up yarn, yarn over, make a chain, yarn over, stitch first round into this ring. Go to this ring, pull up yarn, make half double crochet, mark first stitch, yarn over, go to this ring, make 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet, 5, 6, 7, 8 half double crochet. I made 8 half double crochet in here. Go to marked stitch, first stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch like this. This is marked stitch. Go to next stitch in here. Pull up yarn, pull through all of them. Make 1 chain. Mark this stitch. Go to this stitch, same stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, make a chain, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, make a chain, go to same stitch, go to next stitch, go to same stitch, go to next stitch, make a chain, same stitch, next stitch, make a chain, same stitch, next stitch, make a chain, go to same stitch, next stitch, make a chain. In third round, go to marked, finish this second round, go to first of second round, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, go to same stitch in here, go to this chain. We add 1 chain between these cluster stitch. Go to this chain, pull up yarn, pull through, chain, go to same stitch, go to next stitch, make a chain, go to same stitch, go to next chain, this chain, pull up yarn, make a chain, go to same stitch, next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, same stitch, next stitch, make a chain, same stitch, next stitch, make a chain, continue until marked stitch, go to same stitch, go to next stitch, pull through, make a chain, go to same stitch, go to marked stitch, pull through, make a chain, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, marked this yarn, go to same stitch, go to next stitch in this chain, pull through, make a chain, in here go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, make a chain, go to same stitch, go to next stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, go to same stitch, next stitch, next stitch, go to same stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, same stitch, next stitch, next stitch, like this. Go to same stitch, next stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, next stitch, make one chain, in here go to same stitch, next stitch, marked, go to next stitch, next stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, next stitch, make a chain, go to same stitch, next stitch, make a chain, go to next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, in here go to same stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, continue until here like this, go to same stitch, next stitch, into next stitch, go to next stitch, next stitch, in here go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make one chain, mark this, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, make one chain, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, next stitch, and continue until this marked stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch. I have 18 centimeters in here. Go to last stitch, pull up in next stitch, pull up in here, pull through, make one chain. In here, go to marked stitch, pull up yarn, it is next stitch of this stitch, go to next stitch, take back loop on your hook, pull up yarn from here, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, go to next stitch, take this yarn, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch. Continue like this in this round. Continue, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, go to next stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, make a chain, go to next stitch, go to next stitch from back loop, continue from these loops. Make same as these rows 6 times. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, go to next stitch, take 2 yarns on your hook, make single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet, make 1, 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. In second row of single crochet, Continue like this. Go to single crochet, like this. Make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in these stitches. Go to between of these yarns of single crochet, and continue like this. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch for 2 more rows. After these rows, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, around of this hat is 15 4.